Clockify versus Harvest versus Toggle versus EverHour. Which is the best time tracking software? Hey guys, so for today's video, I am going to be comparing the four most popular time tracking softwares out there to help you decide which one would best suit your needs. So if you want to learn more, then just keep on watching. So first off, we have Clockify. So Clockify is a free time tracking software and is a tool for agencies and freelancers with time tracking, reporting, project management, and team management capabilities. So it lets you and your team track time so you can later see where the time goes and improve productivity. So this is the website of Clockify. It is at clockify.me. So here you can boost productivity, bill your clients, manage your teams, and enable business intelligence and analyze your company's efficiency. So Clockify is actually free forever. So unlimited users, tracking and projects, but there are optional upgrades that you can add later on if you want the additional features. So right off the bat, if you're looking for something that is affordable or free, you can go ahead and subscribe to Clockify. So here are the extra features that you can add on your free plan. So there is basic, standard, pro, and enterprise. So it ranges from $3 up to $11 monthly. So here are the upgrades in case, you're going to work for administration, timesheets, or billing, productivity and profit, or control and security. So again, you can get started with a free forever plan and you can add additional features later on if you would need to for a very affordable price. So now let's take a look at the Clockify integrations out here. So you can use it with Chrome, Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. So here are the project management integrations. So Asana, Trello, UTrack, Azure, GitHub, Monday, Teamwork, and all that. There are also productivity integrations like Google Suite, Docs, Microsoft Teams, HubSpot, Power BI, and there's a full list as well. So once you sign up to Clockify, this is the dashboard that you will be working on. So this is the time tracker section here on Clockify. So you can add what you're currently working on, maybe a task for a specific project. So here I'm just putting YouTube tutorial, and you can actually add a project right here, or you can create a new project wherein it is under, YouTube tutorial. So you can add the name, client, template, or if it is a public. So there you go. This is project 1 YouTube tutorial. So you can select some tags here and you can select whether it is a billable task or not. And here you can see the time and start timer on this blue button. So once you click that, it's going to start tracking your time, and you can easily stop it by hitting this red button right here. So right there, we already have our first project, or first task rather, here on Clockify. So you can see the time right there. So you can actually add a manual time right here if you click this list button. So you can add a task again. So I'm just going to click the YouTube tutorial a while ago, and you can put the time wherein you've worked on that task. So for example, you have worked from 7 a.m. up to 9:15 a.m. So you just have to add that, and it's going to automatically add on to your task right here. So aside from the time tracker, we also have the calendar, so you can see the projects here on the dashboard as well, the overview, as well as the reports of your, projects or tasks, the summary, weekly or detailed summary or reports. You can also manage your projects right here, your team, you can add a new member, your client as well, some tags, and these settings as well right here. So that is for Clockify. The next website that we're going to talk about is Harvest. So Harvest is a cloud-based time tracking software that is suitable for businesses of all sizes. So it provides insight for employers and employees into how everyone of the team is spending time, how much projects actually cost versus how much they are bringing in, and it actually helps make invoicing and billing easier. So now let's take a look at the pricing options for Harvest. So you can avail their free plan again for $0 forever. And you can also avail their pro plan that is billed at 12 USD per month, or 10.8 US dollars per month. So it is either paid monthly or yearly, where you can save actually 10% of the price. So you can start your free trial upon the Pro plan right here. So as you can see, all of the plans include these features: easy time tracking, insights, invoice, integrations, and all that. So let's take a look at the integrations that is included in Harvest. So you can connect Harvest to your favorite tools right here. So at this side, when you scroll down, you can actually see the categories of the integrations. So if you're looking for something that is specific, so for example, finance, productivity, analytics, and all that, you can take a look and see which integrations are available here on Harvest. So as you can see, Harvest offers a lot of options for integrations. So if you're looking for something that is very specific that you cannot find on other clock time tracking softwares, you can, take a look at here on Harvest and see if your integrations are available here. So once you've signed up for a free plan here on Harvest, this is the workspace that you will be seeing. So aside from tracking time, you can actually add expenses right here, some new expenses. You can actually add projects as well, a new project, as well as adding a new person to your team right here. And you can actually see the report here, or the overview of your week, the time that you have tracked for this week, or semi-monthly or monthly. So it could be detailed. So here you can actually create an invoice that will be beneficial for your client or yourself as well. So you can choose a client. So here I just chose example client. You can create an invoice of your choice right here, and you can choose the project that you are working on. So this is an example of the invoice that you can create here on Harvest. So if you're looking for a software that can generate invoices for yourself, Harvest is the way to go. So you can save your invoice and send it to your client right there. So let's go back to the time section where you can track your time. So you can select this green button to add a new time entry. So here we have an example client and an example project, since we have not added that yet. So I just created this YouTube tutorial task under project management. You can actually add a notes, and there you go. We have clicked the start timer, so you can stop at any time right here by clicking the blue button. And you know that you can actually add a manual time right here, so you can add 1.5 or 130, so depending on the time that you have worked on previously on that task. So here I am just adding 0.5, so I have worked on this task for 30 minutes. So here you go, it has already been added to the existing task right there. So now we're done with Harvest. Let us move on to Toggle Track. So Toggle Track is a time tracking tool that is used by a large number of freelancers and businesses. So it's a time and task tracking software that is suitable for large teams. So you can use the app to track work hours, personal projects, or billable hours. So Toggle Track helps you to improve productivity and get things done on time, and it has all the necessary features that you need to track time against projects. So as you can see here, you can sign up for a free 30-day trial of the Toggle Track Premium. So let's take a look now at the integrations that Toggle Track offers in their website. So just click Track Apps so you can see the mobile apps, desktop apps, and the integrations right here. So as you can see here, Toggle Track offers 100 plus integrations on their website. So just like Harvest, Toggle Track offers a lot more specific integrations for the work that you need. So they have MS apps, they also have Adobe apps right here, some productivity apps like G Suite. So if you're looking for something that is very specific, you can go ahead and look at Toggle Track. That can help you, in your work. So now let's take a look at the pricing plans that Toggle Track offers. So you can choose your billing annually or monthly, so you can save 10% on your annual billing. So here you can see 4 plans: free, starter, premium, and enterprise. So it ranges from $0 US up to 18 US dollars. So from the free up to the premium plans right here. So starter is perfect for small teams right there. So you can take a look at the features that are available in each plan and look which best suit your needs. So for the premium plan, there are a lot more powerful tools for a larger team. So you can also pick a premium or enterprise plan for a larger or more complex organization. So once you've signed up to their free trial on ToggleTrack, this is what you will be working on. So you have the reports on the first section. You can see the insights right here of your projects. So here on the project section, you can actually add a new project that you are going to be working on. So you can add the name right there. So YouTube tutorial, for example. You can also add the workspace as well as the client that you are working for in this project. So you can add that. You can actually choose a template as well and some other details. So there you go. We have already created a project right here. So once you click on that, you can see the dashboard of that particular project. So some tasks, the team, you can edit it further right here. So you can choose whether it's a billable project or not. So you can choose the rates and the currency right here, as well as the estimate number of hours. So you can add, for example, 100 of hours right there. So there you go. This project is already a billable one. So let's go back to the main dashboard of the project. So here is our first ever project. So you can also check out the clients that you are working for right here. You can add clients. You can also add the team right here, invite members to your team or groups. You can see the tags here as well and the settings and all of that. So that is basically it for the ToggleTrack. So now let's take a look at EverHour. So EverHour is a time tracking software that allows you to track employee working time, use clock in or clock out features. You can bill more accurately and efficiently. You can also monitor project budget and deadlines, and you can also calculate time off, breaks, and more. So EverHour is available on mobile or web, whether your team is remote or working from the office. So this time clock app for multiple employees will help you keep everything on track and stay connected online. So now let's take a look at the integrations that EverHour has to offer as a time tracking software. So let's just click on integrations right here, all of the integrations. So time tracking with popular apps like Asana, Trello, Basecamp, GitHub, Insightly, Jira, and all that. So as you can see, EverHour has lesser integrations that it has to offer compared to the other ones that we have discussed a while ago. So just keep that in mind. So now let's take a look at the plans and pricing options here on EverHour. So as you can see, they bill monthly or yearly, and they offer a cloud or server plans right here. So all the features, you can get it for 8.5 US dollars. So you can start your 14-day free trial, and you can also avail these server plans where you have to contact the sales to determine the price of that plan. So once you have signed up on EverHour, this is the dashboard that you will be working on. So here is the time. You can select the time, home, schedule, projects, clients, and all that. So let's explore each one. So here on the home, you can basically see the overview of your team or yourself and the time that you have tracked on each tasks or projects. So here on the time section, you can start a task and start the timer on that. So you can, here I'm just typing YouTube tutorial, but I haven't created a project yet. So the first thing that you have to do actually is create a project before you can start tracking your time here on the timer. So let's go ahead and click on projects and create projects. So you have to put the project name. So freelance, for example, and the layout of your project, the client, the privacy of that project, team members that is included on that project, and just click on create project, and there you go. We have our freelance dashboard right here on this particular project. You can see the to do, in progress, completed, and all that. So on the to do section, I'm just adding YouTube tutorial and add the task under this project. So let's go back to the timer. So here you can select YouTube tutorial freelance on that project, and you can start tracking your time. So you can either start the timer, or you can also put a time period as well. So for example, I'm putting here 8 o'clock a.m. to 10 o'clock a.m. as well as the date that you will be working on right there. So just click that, and there you go. We have already added a new task that we are tracking our time on. So now let's take a look at the clients section right here. So the team, the reports, so you can create invoices, reports, team, add team members, or add a new client. So here on the invoices, you can actually add and create a very simple invoice, as well as adding an expense right here. So date, description, and all that. So that is basically it for EverHour. So to evaluate and determine which time tracking software is the best for you or your team, you can go ahead and avail their free trials and check out their websites, and get a gist of how it is time tracking with these particular websites. So depending on your work, you can take a look at the pricing options, the plans, and the integrations as well. So that concludes our video for today. I hope that you have learned something from the comparison that I gave you. So I will see you on the next video, and thank you so much for watching.